Probably 20.
25 metres, Ruby. 25 metres. Let's go. Go. Oh, there we go. Go on. And next up we have
Evie.
Evie's up next. Let's go, Evie. Oh, well done, Evie. And last but lucky?
Indy.
Indy with an E.
Windy with an eye.
Oh, all right. Wait up, and
That's well done.
Let's see. Oh. Go on. All right, my turn. All right, do you reckon I can get it?
Probably. Yeah.
All right.
Oh, it's what?
Who wants to commentate?
Oh, I'm not commentating. You got this.
Oh, let's go.
Okay, he's lining up for the kick. Can he make it? 25 metres out. He kicks. Oh, and it's gone through the point.
Welcome here on Sandy Bay Media for this episode. We're here in Warrack, Nabil. We're going to be talking with some of the players about their footy experience and what it's like. Let's have a chat with, who do we have?
Ruby. Evie.
Indy.
Awesome. I saw you girls having a kick there. What do you enjoy about footy?
The team spirit and how it builds confidence.
Yeah, probably how our teamwork is and yeah.
Our team workings.
And how long have you been playing so far?
A few years.
Yeah.
I've been doing under 12s and then under 14s and then girls footy. So
Cool.
I've been playing for a year, like when girls footy started.
I've been playing for a year too.
So you've been playing for a year. Brilliant. And what have you learned so far?
everything. I've learned how to kick, how to bounce the ball, how to handball. I've learned better teamwork and spirit.
Great.
Yeah, I've learnt how to kick a ball properly, how to do a banana, how to handball it properly, and yeah.
I've learnt how to properly handball, kick, and I'm learning to bounce it.
Brilliant. And footy, sometimes people say it can be a bit scary. Do you find footy scary?
I did it first, but it's good when you've got nice people around you to help you out and support you, and you get more confident as the days go by.
It can be when you're being tackled, because and sometimes like if the ball's high and you're trying to mark it, it can be scary.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you get tackled, it is a bit scary, but usually it's fine.
Yep.
Because you have your teammates to help.
Yeah. No, you do. And you get tackled and then you get up again. Does it hurt?
Nah,
Nah, it doesn't.
just brush it off.
That's it. That's the way.
It can hurt sometimes if it's a bad tackle.
It can hurt sometimes, but not a lot.
No, not a lot of the times, does it? You just get up and you go for it.
If I play, you play. Join us!
Oh, there we go. There we go. That's the one that's